we gathered 25 leaders. These were the most experienced leaders in the business. These were leaders going all the way up to the CEO, the C-suite. And we worked them through an understanding of the value proposition framework, which, as you probably know, we teach in another course. And in doing so, the workshop and the interviews and the interactions helped us organize what we know, or the set of facts, pseudo-facts that we think we know, and put them in a place where we could prepare to learn what we don't know yet. All of that being done, we arrived at possible answers to the original question. So if you look at the headline on this version, you'll notice it's treatment 1. For almost 60 years, what are we emphasizing here? And by the way, what conclusion do we want them to draw from the word 60 years? You should be able to sense the answer to that. And then it says, PR Newswire has been an authoritative source, and it goes on. You'll notice, read everything there. 1954, you know, inventing the industry, etc., etc. And as you will do, you should realize that this is not a random set of facts. This is a carefully chosen set of observations designed to produce a conclusion in your mind. That's number 1. Ask yourself how you think that will work, or how effective it could be compared to what I have for number 2. Over 200,000 media outlets, hundreds of thousands of journalists. Something else is happening here. The statements of fact in treatment 1 are true. The statements of fact in treatment 2 are true, but both are designed to produce a different conclusion. And this is the power of the trust trial. The right conclusion will drive a decision that comes with expectations that is correlated against an experience. And this new experience becomes the new observations. And as I mentioned earlier, if this trust trial is successful in multiple cycles, you are building brand. But let's keep going. Treatment 3. Every year, tens of thousands of organizations of all sizes all over the world. You can see where this is going. Look at the bullet points at the bottom. So now you have 3 observation sets. And I'm going to ask you a profoundly important question. Which of these 3 will produce the highest conversion rate, which is really the highest yes rate, which is really the right decision, which is really the right conclusion?